Thank you so much for coming. My name is Kang. I'm the host for Open Source AI Summit. This is our second one that I've been hosting. The first one was at Stanford back in March, and it's been a huge success. So I thought, okay, I should do variations of this. And this is the second one. We got an amazing lineup today. Let me introduce some of the lineups, but huge shout out to our sponsors, co-host Nir, thank you so much. I think we've got most of the big promising projects on board as sponsors as well. Akash, Ola's, Nethermind, LifePeer, Vanna, Jensen, Exhibits, and we also have a lunch sponsor as well. So we have a beautiful lunch prepared at 1:30 to 2:30. So please enjoy, because there's an amazing networking area, as you've probably seen. So enjoy the lunch provided by Nuffle Labs, Valence, and Nir. And also we have community partners, Stanford Blockchain Accelerator, Sentient, and Blackdragon Capital, which I'm a part of. But yeah, we have a full lineup, as you've probably seen the agenda, from 11 to 5:30, and it's pretty back-to-back, so I don't think you have time to, maybe you can get some grab to bite, but it's going to be a very full content, and yeah, we've got a lot prepared for you guys. Let's see if this works. There we go. So this is the lineup. Maybe you've seen on Twitter, Luma, but yeah, it's a pretty full lineup, and we'll go according to order. Ilya starting first in a bit, but yeah. This is our amazing lineup. And I think when you're looking into learning more about this space, intersection between crypto and AI, these speakers are definitely in projects are worth looking at and diving into. And that's the whole purpose of Open Source AI Summit, is to educate and kind of learn together, because we're all very early in this space, and diving into it. And as you can probably see throughout this entire week, we have like similar themed events, like 13 or 14 of them. So which means that a lot of people want to learn, be inspired, have some potential opportunities in this space, in the intersection of crypto and AI. So that said, it's going to take some 5 seconds. All right, so this is the agenda that we have for today. It's a pretty stacked lineup, and sorry for the tight back-to-back talks, but I tried to cram it in with a lot of good content, no shilling, just mainly on content, so we can be inspired. We can ask questions as well, and so don't feel shy to just ask a lot of questions to the speakers. We'll give some time as well. And also there's Wi-Fi. If you haven't seen, there's also Wi-Fi provided on the screens, on the walls, so you can access that. And then last slide. So next, I'll introduce our next speaker, who's our keynote speaker, Ilya. And I actually have an AMA session prepared. So I have a Slido open. If you want to ask questions, please scan this right now so that you can ask whatever questions you want to ask to Ilya. I don't know if he can answer everything, but if you have any fun questions, any behind stories with Jen, who is it? Jensen Huang, I don't know, whatever you want to ask, you can do anonymous, question asking there. So please scan the code before he begins. All right, and that.